Yo, what up? It's boy the card creator back at it again with another video. Yeah, this is a free back bling you can get. Yes, the panda quests are still broken at the moment. So there's an update on that. So let me tell you how you get the Kats Turntable here. All you need to do is watch 30 minutes on Twitch. And the person I recommend that you watch is by the name of Boxy Fresh. And if you're wondering how you spell that, capital B, lowercase o, lowercase x, lowercase y, capital F, lowercase r, lowercase e, lowercase s, and lowercase h. Boxy Fresh, okay? I had to say, I do recommend that Twitch streamer in particular due to the fact that everyone else on the list is literally offline. No streams. The only one that's working right now is Boxy Fresh. Okay? That's the only Twitch streamer that you can literally watch at the moment to get this. That's it for this video. See ya!